Morning. Today we're doing a mini pebble finish in aqua blue here on this pool. And one of the things we're doing while trialing it is we're adding seashells. Um, Seashells gives them a very bright, very sparkle look the pebble, and it's extremely nice to the feel. So once it's shrouded and it's all finished, we'll continue to trial this product, and once it's finished, then we'll start cleaning it. This is a 2-day application. Tomorrow we're going to be coming back, and we'll be also washing it and cleaning all the pebble, and then we can start filling it up. Once it's full, then we'll start running all the equipment and balance our water. Balancing our water is going to be critical. We're going to come back later today and check the progress, and also we're going to check the water, see how much of other products we need to balance the water with while we're filling the pool. So important. You do not want to be aggressive to any plaster when it's new. So we're going to follow the NPC recommendations, National Plaster Council, all their tips, ins and outs that we've learned through the years. Also, we're going to apply to this job, and we'll get to that.